horses in North America too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and her boyfriend too. And it's a long day living in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yard, and I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart, and I'm free, free falling, falling. Yeah, I'm free. Falling, and all the vampires walking through the valley, they move west down Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys stand in the shadows while all the good girls are home with broken hearts, and I'm free. Free.